Hello peeps, so we're kind of on my way. So really and truly, the video here is literally after um the stock pick for dividends, cause we're exchange short. Anyways, lovely people. So in this video, really and truly, I don't even know the topic, but normally every year I would come have a conversation. Essentially, it's a way for kind of keep myself accountable in a way for some things that I'm gonna put out um in other words, essentially, for say me I go do. Um, so this is really just a filler video, a video to essentially, I guess it's more of my personality and me overall as an individual. Uh, yeah, that essentially what this video is about. Normally, we talk about strictly numbers, finance, rate, I don't do it mix up, and sometimes it might seem like my disconnected with certain things all the time online with everybody else is when me I do uh like IPOs and him some there. But so this is really a breakdown. I've had a vision board from 2019. 2019 there is several stuff on my vision board. All of them I can't show right now. However, a few of them, one, has become better at investing. So from my younger age, I always know say more become better at investing. Want be a better investor. And also a better person. Like I want to know the information, I want to know what to do in order to better myself and also to come and be confident when we talk. There is no, bickling or whatever to say, oh, him the know him I say. So there is that. So my degree already, banking and finance and economics. And currently I do FMVA, which essentially would help me and is currently helping me as it relates to Excel, how pull down financials faster, or for do certain stuff. Yeah, it help me there. So next thing I'll do is my masters, and then after I'm done safely and then I'm done with school. And in the grand scheme of things, if I'm being honest, more get them but don't use them in the conventional route. So more get them, but more also want to focus on the stuff that I've had for myself to kind of, be able to sustain me. So I'm not necessarily I work a 9 to 5 and nothing wrong with 9 to 5 I work a 9 to 5, but the aim is to retire early. One thing I had on my vision board was to always have some close friends, close knit friends. I'm not one for the bag of hanging out, cause a lot of my subscribers always want to hang out, but just I don't like hanging out with people. So there is that bar few friends, and I even have a very very close friend. Um, yeah, me engaged. Anyways, there is that. I also want to actually go back into Forex. I originally I do Forex and thing, and I was actually profitable with Forex. My own issue is I have school, and then I never have enough cash. So like when I make the money, bro, for the money, spend the money, go restaurant, rate it, because the money came so easy, Never did I think about building them time younger. But now I have more disposable income, and more actually go back into trading. So I did have a book. They have notes in and something there as relates to investing and as relates to trading, and me go tackle that journey this year. To be honest, I have one, two, three, four, five main goals for this year. School, health, finance, and one big secret, but we can't say it yet. Anyways, so there is that. I have my Forex book. I'm gonna find this book, Dusty. Dusty. However, this book is my Forex book. This is everything I learned from pajama before, you know, whatever. So essentially, read back, go back over it, Forex course, full edition. Um, See I can show them. Notation, get the handicap on writing, market structure, Peeps, information, different market time zone, Forex, uh, the different candles explained, this, that's on the third, etc., 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 etc. When I take notes, I take notes. However, I won't necessarily be coming and recording videos on my journey. If it's successful at the year end, then fine. But if you're not successful, I'm still come and say you're not successful. But for like constantly monetize and like if I record video and I say and I talk about it over and over, no, I'm not good at that. Um yeah, me have other plans. Speaking of plans, as it relates to YouTube, so that is like my personal random goal. As it relates to YouTube, my intention is to make more videos. Last year, I made a total of 17 videos for the whole year. So I guess maybe that's why I'm gonna start more platform never grow as much. However, this year, more at least make 50 videos. I'm probably around the same amount of shots. So 100 content out, like yeah, 100 content out the door. So far I've done four, with the four plus the stock videos, them are gonna be three. More the dividend stock so far, and this will be six by the February now. However, I have 17 different videos planned already. I just time for record them and do the in-depth analysis, and that is why one of the reasons why my videos them take so long to come out, because I'm actually sit down, I have to do the analysis. And I just come and just read from either a prospectus or just pull information from a third platform. Is whatever systems I have, whatever automated systems I have, may use and whatever I have to do manually. But come and I have to understand it before I can regurgitate the information as is. Alright? Because I personally don't like wasting people's time, because I don't like people wasting my time. So I'm gonna go have you wait 1 hour, or I watch one 1 hour video for say, oh, the sky is blue. When you could have tell me that, yeah, tell me about the clothes and everything. So I just me sorry, make it like agitated. Anyways, so there is that. So the goal for this year is 5,000 subscribers. If you can help me, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe, to a friend, there is that, appreciate it. Finance wise, so as you know, but they did the video on the stock series as about like from zero for the 3 months upwards, and we did complete it. We did get the 300,000. We did get to go to the hotel and rate it. It was nice. To be honest, I've still continued to do it. Yeah. Currently, I think the portfolio, I'm stop investing on my personal account. There's a focus on that. To see if we can reach the big M. You see me? But as of right now, I think it's at about 600,000. I'm not sure. About 600,000, but honestly, I'm not really have recording a video about it until we reach the big M. Yeah. So 600K. Nice. So there is that. Another thing with YouTube, I also want to actually make some income from YouTube. In the grand scheme of things, these take hours of my time, given hours. Yeah, hours of my time. And even though I like the YouTube like $3.99, that makes sense, because I'll like but do this to the fun, but I also want to get coin. Like even, and I wouldn't say, oh, I'm greedy or anything. Like something. Because bear in mind, me I record, I think I've been doing YouTube for 3 or 4 years now, and I've only gotten about 400 US dollars. So I kind of put out the content for see if maybe the content so I get more people for reach me get more income. There is that. But also what I'm going to start doing is I'm gonna sell merch. I'm gonna support you because I also want to buy a better camera. Because right now I use my phone, I record. So I'm using my phone record, but I want to get like a camera. And even though I'll pay out of pocket for some necessities like my laptop, I pay out of pocket for, like I would want to at least even make this channel be a net zero. At least it pay for, it being there and can give me a little thing. So I'm gonna start promote my course. It I go done in March, so my course and my merch, anyone you can support, I appreciate it. And if you can support at the grand scheme of things, just like the video, share with somebody, free, not that free. So I would also appreciate that. And also, if for those who rich and famous, I just like to smile. I just like to smile. When you can me a PayPal, so want like a $5 or so, and he was sending a request. I feel like I'm gonna start with that. Like when I have something specific on a request and I send like a $5, $10, $20, $30, beautiful in depth send the documentation, everything, and yeah, simple research for $20. That seemed decent to me. $25. Something in depth. I will break it down. I'll find some final way for start get some income from YouTube and social media overall. So there is that. And currently my stock course the one I have on Edunomics is $10,000. However, in March when I finish the Excel tutorial and how to pull financial statements and break them down, it's going to be 16 grand. So there is that. So if you don't want to get that, me link it in the description. I also link my PayPal in the description. Uh yeah. And I say now my don't fiance. So I focus start. Support people in data. Anyways, the next thing I want to focus on is my health. If you notice, my start make the videos can show up here, so which to me at first, like originally, but just never have the space for record the video. So there's that. No me have the space. I could stand, but or whatever, but me I put it so that me can see myself. See I'm look on the camera as is. Right now, man spot. Yeah, but fat, so me not focus on that. Yeah. So I start go to the gym. Like me normally go to the gym periodically, but me I try to be more consistent with going to the gym. Also, one of my thing was soda. I love soda, love juice. Them thing them. Because of the soda, juice is a work in progress. However, I bought a juicer. So I'm making juice now, but it's from fruits. So there's a massive air fryer. I don't like air fry egg. I'm sorry. I can't. I'm not. No. I'm not like it. But air fry wings. Them someday. So less grease. Uh, yeah. I just keep up the cardio and them some there. Uh, yeah. So while having the video, I made me all see the progress of how I look different as the time progressed through the year. So, uh, that is that. And may I focus on the brand. I have one brand for that represents me per se. It's something that it's been me. It's been me. And the idea behind it, I think I'm going to make it a t-shirt. It's called Wealth. And when I say wealth, I don't mean so it'll be wealth, not just financially, but every facet of life. So health, mental, everything. Um, that would be the t-shirt. Simple t-shirt. You can wear it and support the youth them. There is that. Like literally, there's an earthquake happening right now. Like literally, it not stop yet. It literally not stop yet. And today is February 10, 3:10 a.m. Now look if them post something later. Anyways, um, yeah, that is essentially it. But I just feel like one, this is a filler content. That is the first thing, and then two is just me coming to you guys as not just a content creator, but just me as me. The person I am. So there is that. Those are the dreams and goals. Well, for this year, last year was successful. If I'm being honest, last year was very successful. Where's the aim? Honestly, we are putting in some wicked hours. Wicked. Like even yesterday, which will be Sunday, Monday, Sunday, Monday, Saturday, 16 hours, Sunday, 16 hours. I work. So we're putting in the work, honestly, for the better life. Is it? Thank you guys for watching. Whomsoever here for just listen me rant. I appreciate all of you guys. Honestly, I appreciate guys. One thing I do is whenever I have somebody, essentially I come back to first say the progress. It kind of help motivate and keep me on track. So there is that. As always, thank you, lovely peoples. The people like, I don't know me I title this video, but me find something to catch on a some quick point. So, thank you guys for watching, and 3 o'clock now, I'm at work, like 5-6 hours. So, thank you guys for watching, and um, yeah, catch you next video. Peace.